It's not surprising that a large majority of the population don't like to talk about death. I think it's about one's mortality, and I think a lot of people feel that they'll go on forever and ever.
I've seen many situations where people haven't talked about it and then it's left to guesswork.
Wills are essential in order to make sure that your wishes are ultimately fulfilled once you're no longer here. Also, what you're doing is you're passing on the potential problem to your next of kin.
We do work with some lovely families, and as such, and after 20 odd years in financial services and running a financial planning business, I've experienced many different situations.
We have a good understanding of the family dynamics as well.
What we hope the outcome is that when you look back at the journey that we take you on, is that your legal affairs are all in order, so you have a valid will, it's up to date, legislation changes, so we make sure that it's all correct and reflects your wishes. You have an appropriate lasting power of attorney, all of your ducks will be in a row, and there'll be an education piece so that if you are a couple, both of you know the situation. If you wish to engage the wider family in that conversation, they have an understanding within your limits, because there might be so much you want them to know, not all, but they'll certainly have an understanding. And you'll also know that if something happens to one of you, the other one will be okay. And if they're not okay, you'll have made provision to make sure that they are okay. Then you should look back with ease, thinking, actually, I'm not worried about it anymore. I can put that behind me and carry on living and focus on doing the things that we enjoy and ticking things off the bucket list.